Years ago, a little movie about a guy and his deadly games tore into theaters and changed the various horror genres forever. Now, he's back and he's ready to play. This is Jigsaw. Honestly, it was true to form. The players all start out sympathetic, but suddenly you find yourself turning on them as you find out what kind of people they are. The detectives and doctors trying to figure out where Jigsaw is keeping these people start out as more or less normal folks, but suddenly you find out they're not all quite there. The traps, the puzzles, the gore, everything is perfect. I mean, so much practical stuff went into this whole Jigsaw maze, and everything was just gorily gorgeous. The movie itself moves at a fairly decent pace. It feels longer than its 90-minute runtime, but that's just because you get so immersed in things. I was never really bored. I was curious to see how the detectives were piecing together the puzzles and how the players were moving through the game, and it honestly felt both new and familiar. It's a new kind of Jigsaw for a new kind of millennium. This film pays immense respect to the original movies. Nothing's too overly done. It's all, like I said, practical. And the gore effects felt painfully real. It hurt every time you saw someone suffer. It had me twisting in the seat, and it was awesome. As a hardcore Jigsaw fan, I recommend this film. As a newcomer, it might make you curious about checking out the original films, but as a standalone, it's not too terribly confusing, as it provides just enough exposition in just the right places to give you what you need to know about the franchise. Happy Halloween, and game on!